Good morning, students. So today we discuss the trends in chemical properties. So first we discuss reactivity with hydrogen of group 16 elements of formation of hydrate. So H2 is a common formula for group 16 hydrides of group 16 elements. So what is E? E represent to oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. So first we discuss how can we prepare these hydride. So when we react sulfur, selenium, tellurium prepared by the action of acid on metals like sulfide, selenite, tellurides, it will give H2S, H2 Se, H2T or H2PO. So water is a colorless outerless liquid while other hydrides of this group are colorless, bad smelling like a rotten egg smell of this H2S gas, and they all are poisonous gases. If we inhale in a maximum amount of these gases, so it causes dangers. So H2O, H2S, H2SE, H2TE. So the bond angle, the shape of or geometry of these hydrides of group 16 element, that is angular geometry or V-shaped geometry. But according to hybridization, sp3 hybridization, 2s 2 2p4. According to this, there are 2 electron in 2p, 2s, 2p and 1 electron share with hydrogen atom to form a this type of shape. So it is sp3 hybridization. So according to sp3, its shape is tetrahedral, but there are 2 lone pair. Due to presence of lone pair, its structure is angular or vent or V-shaped structure of all the hydrides of this group 16 elements. So the bond angle decreases between HOH bond angle due to increase in size of central atom and decrease in the electron activity difference, and bond length increases between hydrogen atom and the central atom. Due to increase in bond length, the repulsion between bond pair decreases and lone pair bond pair increases. That's why bond angle decreases. क्योंकि जिमें when we move from oxygen to tellurium, the size of central atom increases, so repulsion between bond pair decreases and the bond angle also decreases, क्योंकि electron activity जड़ी हैगी है between hydrogen and central atom वो भी डिक्रीज कर रही है, क्योंकि हाइड्रोजन के कंपैरेटिवली साडे को इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्टिविटी ज़्यादा नहीं हैगी ग्रुप 16 ਦੇ ਐਲੀਮੈਂਟਸ ਦੀ when we move from oxygen to tellurium. So that's why bond angle decreases from water to tellurium hydride. So water ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 104.5 ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ bond angle less ਹੈ, bond length ਘੱਟ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ attraction ज़्यादा है. So repulsions between bond pair are more as compared to other hydrides of group 16 element, and the electron activity difference also there. That's why the repulsions are more due to increase in size also, because in case of oxygen it has small size. So the bond angle decreases from hydrogen water to tellurium hydride due to increase in size of central atom and bond length with hydrogen atom and decrease in electron activity difference. Clear? So next we discuss the properties or trends of properties of hydrides of group 16. So first one is volatility, which is a volatile in nature out of these all hydrides. So mostly we already discussed in the starting of the topic, because HO2 is a liquid at room temperature, but other hydrides of group 16 elements are in gases or poisonous gases. That's why except water, all these three are volatile in nature, but H2S exists as a gas at room temperature and it is highly volatile in nature, because other members hydrides of this group elements are also exist in a gaseous state. So out of these all hydrides, water is very less volatile due to presence of hydrogen bonding and high boiling point due to association of water molecules. So hydrogen bonding करके साडे को it exists in a liquid state, but volatile nature is maximum in case of H2S, then H2SE, then H2T. But water is less volatile as compared to other group member hydrides. So ਇਹ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਹੈ ਸਾਲੇ ਕੋ ਵੋਲਾਟਿਲਿਟੀ ਦਾ. ਵਾਟਰ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੋਲਾਟਾਈਲ ਨੇਚਰ ਹੈ, ਜਾਣੀ ਇਵੈਪੋਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਈਜ਼ੀਲੀ ਇਵੈਪੋਰੇਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ, 100 ਡਿਗਰੀ ਸੈਲਸੀਅਸ 'ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਇਵੈਪੋਰੇਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ. ਸੋ ਉਹ ਵੋਲਾਟਾਈਲ ਲੈਸ ਵੋਲਾਟਾਈਲ ਹੈ ਦੈਨ ਅਦਰ ਮੈਂਬਰਸ ਡਿਊ ਟੂ ਸਟਰੋਂਗ ਫੋਰਸ ਆਫ ਅਟਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਬਿਟਵੀਨ water molecules or associated with hydrogen bonding. Clear? Next we discuss acidic nature. Acidic character increases from water to tellurium hydride due to increase in size of central atom and bond length between the central atom and hydrogen atom. So easily break the bond, क्योंकि size increase होने करके bond length increase होती है. That's why ਈਜ਼ਲੀ ਬੌਂਡ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬ੍ਰੇਕਅਪ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਈਜ਼ਲੀ H ਪੋਜ਼ੀਟਿਵ ਆਇਨ ਉਹ ਲੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦਾ। ਸੋ ਦੀ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਇਨ ਆਫ ਐਸਿਡਿਕ ਕਰੈਕਟਰ ਇਜ਼ increases from oxygen to terrolinium. So down the group ਜਿਹੜਾ ਐਸਿਡਿਕ ਕਰੈਕਟਰ ਹਾਈਡਰਾਈਡਸ ਉਹ ਇਨਕਰੀਜ਼ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ due to increase in size of central atom and decrease in bond association enthalpy. So which is more acidic? H2TE. Why? Due to large size and low bond association enthalpy. So that's why it has a highly acidic in nature as compared to this, as compared to this, as compared to this. Next we discuss thermal stability. That is a reverse of the acidic character, because if there is strong bonding it means they are highly thermally stable. So due to increase in size of central atom and presence of weak force of attraction, the thermal stability decrease from water to terrolinium hydride. So ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ thermal stability water ਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ due to presence of hydrogen bonding, but ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਕਿਹਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ terrolinium hydride ਦੀ। clear? So this is a trend or decreasing order। ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹ ਸੀ it is a increasing order, ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਡਿਕਰੀਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਆਰਡਰ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲਾਰਜਰ ਤੋਂ ਸਮਾਲਰ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਤੱਕ। ਕਲੀਅਰ? So next is reducing character. Reducing character increases when we move from water to terrolinium, because ਜਿਹੜਾ easily ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ H positive release ਕਰੇ, easily bond ਜਿਹੜਾ dissociate ਹੋਵੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ easily reduce ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ। So reducing character is same like a acidic character। So ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ trend ਹੈ that is increases from water to terrolinium hydride, so due to large size and low bond association enthalpy. Next, boiling point. Water has high boiling point, the other group hydride due to presence of hydrogen bonding। ਜਿਹੜਾ water melting ਤੇ boiling point ਆ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਉਹ ਹਾਈ ਹੁੰਦਾ water ਦਾ as compared to other group hydride due to presence of hydrogen bonding। but otherwise ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ melting ਤੇ boiling point ਦੀ, that is increases from sulfur to terrolinium due to increase in size and increase in van der Waals forces। So from sulfur to terrolinium, boiling point increases due to increase in size and increase in van der Waals forces, but water has high melting and boiling point than other group members। So reason is due to presence of strong hydrogen bonding in case of water molecule। So it form other hydrides like peroxide H2OH। so ਇਹਦੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਓਮੈਟਰੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਸਲਫੇਨਸ ਦੀ। ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਲਫਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ H2S2 ਫੋਰਮ ਕਰਦਾ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਅਦਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹਾਈਡਰਾਈਡਸ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਫੋਰਮ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਅਤੇ ਜਿਓਮੈਟਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਪੈਰੋਕਸਾਈਡ ਦੀ ਉਹ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਲੇਨਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਜਿਓਮੈਟਰੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕਿਹਦੀ ਹੈ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਪੈਰੋਕਸਾਈਡ ਦੀ। ਕਲੀਅਰ? So if you have any doubt up to this topic, you can call me or through message you clarify your doubt. Thank you.